WBN home microfiber mop. Now this is really cool because I really like the system that they made for this. I have to say I'm very impressed by this because one of the things I've always had a hard time with the microfiber cloth mops at home was that it didn't have a system to store it. So you always kind of have it awkwardly flopped in. Maybe I put it in between like the laundry, the washer and the dryer, and I sit it against the wall because it won't stand there. It flops over and falls back down again. But the way the WBM is, and this is again 16% off, marked down to $29.39, it has this really cool system. So let's go ahead and talk about how that works. So firstly, I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to push through. So you just push down like this, and then it pops out. And then you just turn it like this, it snaps out, and you're ready to go. You're going to have a full swivel on this as well, so you can swivel it around. And then when you're done using it, you just take it down like this, okay? You just pop it. Did you see how I did that? And then you push up with this white part of the handle like this. It pushes through all the way to the end, and then at the end it's completely flat. It even has a corner shape so that you can go ahead and stick this into the corner. So it stands like this. Okay, so it stands all on its own, just like that. It's super narrow, and it has that really nice little corner to it, so you can just put it into a corner. It's not taking up any space when you're using it. You take off your little microfiber reusable top. Okay, so see how it's very, very narrow. Very, very narrow. This is completely flat, so you're able to just sit it on the ground in your closet, maybe in your laundry room. It's just out of the way, very narrow, and it also has a corner shape, so you could just shove it right into a corner, and it's not taking up any space at all. And then when you're done and you want to use it again, you just go like this. Put your handle down, and then you're just going to hold like this and push down. It pops out like that. You turn it, okay, just like this. And it pops, it snaps, makes a little snapping noise, and you know you're ready to go again. So then you're just going to go ahead and you're going to mop really nicely. Now the great thing is that it's going to be able to swivel around. So you can go all the way around, get into those little hard to reach places with this, and then you can just go ahead and take this off from the side, pop it into the washing machine, and wash it really nicely. And you can get yourself some replacement heads as well, so you have some ready to go clean while the other ones are washing. But for me, I think the big thing is that this is adjustable for your size. And then honestly, I think it's just the coolest thing that you can just go ahead and snap that in there. So you just went from being outwards like this, okay? Like this, it's like this. You snap it in like this, okay? And then you push. You push the white piece in. Oop, I have to go like this, guys. You have to push it in. Other way. I always do it the backwards way, like this. So you're pushing it backwards in with the white down, all right? And it would help if I did not unhook it. I unhooked it. That's what I did. I unhooked it off the side. That was my fault. Let me put it back in. Why did I do that? I was playing around trying to show you guys how you can replace the head on it, and I took it back off and didn't put it back on right. That was my fault. Okay, there we go. Got it. Oh my goodness, that was funny. So then you just push it through like this with the white, and it holds it really, really tightly, and then it's completely flush. You guys can see completely flush like that. So you push it in all the way, and then you just go ahead and put it here, and you just stand it there. So then it's not taking up much space at all. But the thing for me is I really like the little corner. It has that little corner shape to it like this. You see how it has a little corner shape? So you can just put it up against your corner, and it's taking up barely any space, but it stands on its own, which I think is the coolest thing. And then when you're ready, you just hold from the sides, you push down on the ground, you push it down, and then it pops back out like this. On the side, it snaps, and you're ready to go. And again, you're going to be able to flip it around. You're going to be able to swivel around, get into those small places because it's nice and narrow, microfiber, and then it snaps back into place. And then when you're ready to go ahead and do it, then you can just go the opposite way with the white head pushing down like that. And now it's ready to be put away on the ground. Simple as that. So I love it. It's really, really easy. Doesn't take up a lot of space, easy to clean. That is just the coolest system. For me, I'm really kind of like blown by that because I think it's just so cool. You could sit it into the corner, and then how that works like that you just go like this and you just let it stand it and goes into the corner. So simple like that. Hi, Emily. Hello. Welcome to my other live stream. We're just talking about our cute little easy to store microfiber mops. Really, really cute. They have a stand. Isn't that the cutest thing? It's like a little stand that's built in. I think it's so cute. You just go like this and you put the handle on the ground and push the white piece down like this. And then the mop pops out of it like that. And then you just use your mop to mop with it. And then when you're done, you just push it down like this. You flip it the opposite way and you push the white part down. So you just push it down like this. And then it's just ready for you to store it again. And it stands up on its own. Isn't that just the cutest thing? I love it.